Hey guys, Teddy Bradley here, Regional Sales Manager for CrossRoads RV, Zinger and Volante lines. I wanted to show you something today that you're going to be seeing on some, or on most of your travel trailers that are coming in the future here. Um, this is a system that's it's going to be different than what you're seeing at a lot of the other manufacturers. What we've done basically, um, there's been a lot of different systems in the past that. For hooking up batteries. And what you're going to see here, this is our new power distribution box. What this does for you basically is consolidates all your circuits, all your connections, gives you protection from road debris, salt, water. It's going to keep that all consolidated in one central unit. Another thing that we also added, you'll notice, is a battery disconnect. So you'll see this on all your Zingers and Volantes coming in the future. If you pop this box off, you'll also notice that it's all color coded. So the advantage to that is if there is ever any issues in the future, that's going to give a quick way to troubleshoot without having to figure out what exactly is going on. But yeah, all your circuit breakers, all your connections are all housed in that. The other interesting thing too is this is linked into your solar prep system, so you can actually turn the battery disconnect off and still charge your batteries with the solar charging system. So just wanted to let you know that's a little selling feature that is something you're not going to see on a lot of the other manufacturers, and something that should definitely help you sell our product and give your customers a better experience. So thanks.